Do not cut your network PoE cables to install your cameras. They now make it to where you can just put the waterproof connectors on without each end of your cable comes with a tabbed end, which is going to the back of your box, and a camera end. First, you would take slide it over, then you go with your washer, which has a slit in it, to slide over your cable. Now, don't tighten this all the way. Just the red O-ring would go on your camera end. Plug it in. Bring this over, lock in place. Now you can tighten up your cable end. Hold on.